Welcome to another live with About Face Cosmetics. Actually, so for today, we're going to do editorial makeup and I'm gonna show you na like yung mga high fashion, yung mga nakikita nyo sa mga magazine na editorial looks. You can do a simple, parang not so challenging makeup look na mukha pa ring editorial. And you don't have to use a lot of products for that. Let's start with the eyes. And usually, pag gumagamit ako ng parang very dark pigments or medyo ma-fall out, hindi muna ako nagko-foundation kasi sayang din pag naka-foundation ka tapos nag-eyeshadow ka, baka mahulog din yung eyeshadow. Okay, so after ko lagyan ng concealer, let's start with the base. Actually, I use this one as a sort of crease shade, itong lip blocker in Claim to Fame Nude. It's a very nice nude shade na pwede pang pa-deepen ng crease. So there. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush na medyo tapered. And then, ifo-focus ko lang siya dun sa dito sa crease. So, this is just a parang base. Itong Claim to Fame Nude. And medyo ano ko siya. What do you call this? Hanggang dito ko siya ilalagay. Then, try nyo siya i-extend. I-extend nyo yung eyeshadow hanggang dito sa may, kung nasaan yung dulo ng kilay nyo. So, yan. So, after you put the base, you can then pack on more pigment. And to be honest, like yung mga lip lockers, gusto ko talaga siya gamitin as eyeshadow kasi sobrang dali niya i-blend. So, ito, I'm gonna do na the eyeliner and it's important to use the right tools. So, I'm gonna use this one. It's an eyeliner brush na manipis. And you put it on the back of your hand. So, ito yung Go Up in Flames Red. So, I think yung tip ko, if gagawin nyo tong eyeliner, sa simula, ang gawin nyo is, i-stamp nyo lang. Wag nyo muna masyado i-blend. Kasi hindi nyo makukuha yung soup. Kasi nga blendable sila. So, medyo nawawala yung pigment. So, if you want it to be super solid, gawin nyo lang is, stamp nyo lang. So, pagdating nyo dito sa dulo, that's when you flick it upwards. So, pag sa wing, ang sinasabi ko talaga sa mga people, huwag nyo gawing sobrang taas kasi it actually cuts your eyes. Parang, it makes your eyes look parang ganon, parang mas lumiit siya. So, if you want to elongate your eyes, you flick it dun sa direction pa rin nung, like for example, ito, dun sa direction yan, nitong sa lower lash line nyo. Ganyan. Don't make it too mataas. And I'm gonna do my base now. I actually primed already para naman mabilis tayo. And I'm gonna go with the Matte in a Million. Ito, I love this for editorial looks kasi nga matte siya, but it's not flat. Like, meron pa ring dimension yung face mo. And this Dream Cream in Matte in a Million is suitable for Filipino skin tones. So, it's formulated for them. It's just one shade, pero nag-a-adapt yung shade niya. So, you don't have to worry na masyado kang maputi or what, or masyadong ashy, kasi bagay talaga siya for Filipino skin tones. This one in particular is great for oily and acne-prone skin. Tapos for my cheeks, I'm going to use the nude shade ulit. kung gusto ko na super editorial, ang ginagawa ko, dito lang ako nagbo-blush. Kasi usually pag editorial, hindi sila mahilig na mag-blush dito. Unless like Japanese style or Korean style. Pero pansin ko lang dun sa mga western editorial, dito yung blush nila. Kino-concentrate nila dito. Kasi nakakaano siya ng face. Nakakaliit siya ng face. Ayan. So, for gradient, ang base natin is yung nude. Ilalagay natin yung red shade. Lalagay ko na lang siya sa likod ng kamay ko para mas yung application, mas targeted. Dito sa gitna. Ayan. Ayan, ang ganda. So, ito yung Color Me Matte. Bago tayo mag-end, I'm gonna show you. So, ito yung Color Me Matte. Clear gel lang siya. Tapos, pag nilagay mo siya sa kahit anong lipstick, kahit hindi, not necessarily, AF Cosmetics, nagiging matte siya. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Matte na siya. 'Di ba? Maganda talaga yung effect niya. Ayan. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please follow me on Instagram at ChrisNotChris for other makeup-related content. So, very active ako sa Instagram. And, if gusto nyo i-recreate ang aking look for today, please tag me. Sobrang happy talaga ako whenever tinatry i-recreate yung makeup looks ko. And yun, don't forget to follow me on social media. Thank you guys! I had so much fun with everyone. See you again soon!